Hello again, this is Sam with BlindShell. Today we're going to be taking a look at the weather application on the BlindShell Classic mobile phone. So we have two ways to access our weather application. The first one is to just use our voice using the voice control here. We simply long press one of our voice buttons. Just a reminder, that is the upper left button and the upper right button. We long press one of those buttons until we hear the voice prompt.
I listen after a beep.
What's the weather?
Opening weather. Current weather in Mount Vernon. Temperature 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Light rain 1 of 6.
So that takes us into our weather and gives us our current weather information. I'm going to go back though.
Call 1 of 9.
The second way is to simply navigate to it in our apps menu here. So we're going to scroll to the right.
Messages 2 of 9. Contacts 3. More applications 4 of 9.
Going to click OK into more applications.
Tools 1 of 4.
Weather is actually in the tools section here, so we're going to click OK into that.
Alarm 1 of 9.
And we're going to scroll to the right or left until we hear weather.
Minute timer 2. Stopwatch 3 of. Calendar 4 of 9. Notes 5 of 9. Voice recorder. Calculator. Weather 8 of 9.
Weather. But now that we're on weather, we're just going to simply click OK.
Current weather in Mount Vernon. Temperature 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Light rain 1 of 6.
50 degrees and light rain. It's a pretty nasty day out there today. So it said 1 of 6. That means there's 6 options in this menu. So let's scroll to the right to see what the other options are.
Tomorrow, temperature 52 degrees Fahrenheit, clear sky 2 of 6. Thursday, temperature 57 degrees Fahrenheit. Friday, temperature 58 degrees. Unit settings 5 of 6.
So in that menu, we get a total of 4 days of weather. Then the 5th option here is to change the unit settings, so you can choose Celsius or Fahrenheit.
Forecast in different city 6 of 6.
And then our last option is to search for a different city. Maybe you're going on vacation soon and you want to see what the weather is in that city that you're going to. You can do that right there. So that is a quick look at the weather application on the BlindShell Classic mobile phone. If you would like to learn more about what your BlindShell Classic phone can do, be sure to head over to our YouTube channel and check out the other videos in our tutorial series.